Okay, today we have our part 2 of our Scarecrow. So go ahead and pull out your Scarecrow from last week. And this week we're going to do some watercolors. So if you have something like that, that will work. If you don't, you can watch my video on how to make watercolors with just markers. And if you need any supplies, please let me know. Send me an email and I can leave some for you in the office, okay? So what we're going to do here first is we are going to work on our sky first. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to paint my sky with some water. And I'm just going to do this in little sections, not really big. Then I'll get some blue and I can kind of spread that around. Just going to get my paint. And you want to really go carefully around your Scarecrow. So just kind of go slow. I know we have lots of little places, nooks and crannies that we have to get into. Okay, so there is my sky. I'm not going to touch the sun yet because if I do the sun right now, it's going to kind of turn green because the sky is blue. So I'm going to give the sky a chance to dry. Then I'm going to come down here to the bottom of my page and I'm going to start making my plow lines, my field. So maybe I add yellow. I'm just going to kind of make my plow lines a pattern. I'll put this color in every other one. And so maybe the next one I do I want brown or green? I think I want green. I think brown would make it look dark and I really want it to look happy and bright. I'm going to just take my green. I'm going to go carefully around my pumpkin. Now once I have painted that area, I'm going to start concentrating on my face and some things that are on the inside so that the things that are close to these things can have a chance to dry. So I'm going to dry out my paintbrush because I really don't want it super wet for some of these things. I'm just going to put a little bit of water and I'm going to think about the color of my face. I think for the color of my face, I'm going to do a little bit of brown, and right up here on my palette, I'm going to add a little bit of brown, and then I'm going to add some yellow. And I'm going to mix those two colors together. Then I'm going to do the face. I'm not going to do the some hair. Mine's pretty dry. I'm going to give mine a little bit longer to dry on the overalls. So I'm going to go to the shirt. So these two pumpkins, I'm gonna add my orange to. And I'm gonna do my pole. And you can kind of see I'm going really slow because I can see, oh, my purple escaped. I'm just gonna press down right there. Lift up some of that purple. And I'll go back over it with my blue. If you get too much of a color and they touch, then sometimes that color just goes out. Oh, my purple's escaping again. So let me just pat that down. So now that you've got your overalls done, you're going to just start filling in any other spaces that may need some color. Like the nose. I want to give it an orange nose. So there's your pumpkin patch scarecrow. I hope you had fun painting it, and let it dry before you start moving it up and down. Keep it flat until it's dry, and then you can hang it up. Don't forget to take a picture and send it to me. Thank you.